Here I have RAZER Phone and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the RAZER settings. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here you need to find and select the settings icon right here. Scroll down and under personal tab, let's choose backup and reset. Here you need to choose factory data reset. Let's read the information about the process and simply choose reset phone. So if you are aware of the following operation and you would like to erase all your personal information and downloaded apps, choose erase everything. Right now the device is performing the hard reset, so let's wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset operation is done, so now you may start easily activate your smartphone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.